So guys, first method, change DNS setting. So click to start, type control panel, view by, select the category, then go to internet and network, then internet sharing center. Okay, then click to change adapter setting. Otherwise, if you are using Wi-Fi so and Ethernet also, so you have to show two options. Okay, so click Ethernet, then click to property, then double click to IP version 4 and enter like this. If you have like this, so select the like 8.8.8.8, then come to noun 8.secondary, then 8.8.4.4, then hit OK and then close it. Then next, restart TCP IP stock. So click to start and type CMD, then right click to run as administrator, then yes, then type net int space IP, then reset. Okay, then hit enter. And then close it. Next guys, disable IP version 6. So click to start, go to control panel, view by category, go to internet, network and sharing center, click to Ethernet, properties. If this is like this checked, so unchecked and then OK. Okay, close it. Then again click to internet, click to property, then select this and click to configurations, yes, then advance, then find out link duplex setting, select the auto negotiation. So if you select like this, so your internet speed is very slow automatically. If you have a speed, good is internet speed, but it isn't working. Okay, select those and then apply and then OK. Next guys, disable enable your network adapter. So click to start, type control panel. Okay, and select the category, then go to network internet, network sharing center. This is change adapter setting. So you can see, so if your system have a Wi-Fi also, so 2 to 3 options showing here like Ethernet, Wi-Fi. So which is your internet's working, so select this and just click to disable. Wait few seconds, might be 2 to 3 seconds. After that, just right click and enable it. Then close it. Next, run ping test to Google. Click to start, type CMD, then open, then type ping space google.com. So you can see this is 6 milliseconds. Okay, packet received from this show IP, and by you can see this is 6-7 milliseconds. So might, if you have a 6 to 7, minimum 10, under 10 milliseconds means your internet is very good. Okay, 10 to 30 means average. After 30 means your internet really very slow. Okay, so you can see your restart your internet router, and you can also connect disconnect your cable. Okay, yeah. After that you restart your system and then please check it. You follow all the method, then thank you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to download ASUS TUF Gaming F16 laptop driver. So first you have to see this, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, okay, model number, and first just click on this, then you can see click on support, then select the model number any, because all the model number driver download and installations process same. Click on driver and tool, only one operating system showing here, this is all driver, and this is one click to driver download. You can also use this, okay. You just install and next to install. After that you scan your required driver and it will show, and then you just click to install, okay. If you need to separate, so you can scroll down and you can see in the networking extract. So wireless LAN means Wi-Fi driver, okay. You can see, and this LAN which is connect to cable, for this wireless LAN means Wi-Fi driver. So latest wireless LAN, I click to download and just completed, then open it, then click yes, okay, next, install, select, then next. Now this is extract, and now this is installing driver. Then it is completed and you can restart your system. Finish.